There's a tremendous amount of change happening in the trucking industry, and technology is a big part of that. Here at PACCAR, we're on the forefront of understanding what's coming and what we should do about it. What can we build that's going to be very valuable for our customers? We've been around for over 100 years, and we're in it for the long term. The PACCAR Innovation Center is the only facility of its kind in Silicon Valley. It's about people, technology, and the trucks. It's been fascinating to meet many innovators in Silicon Valley and really get to know what's their technology, where are they headed, and how can we work together with them. We are extremely efficient in how we go about our research and development. In the automotive world, partnership is a critical part of putting together the best vehicles in the world. So we're always out looking for fantastic partners. We put their technology onto trucks, and we do deep evaluation together with them in order to plan an eventual path to market. At the beginning, it's actually hard to tell which technologies are going to work well and which ones aren't. And so, as the years have gone on, we're more and more eager to see an actual working prototype. But we need to see something real working that then we can build from. We're trying to help them out, help them be successful, so that together we can go to market with great new technology. When we're deciding what sorts of projects to take on, we think a lot about where is this going? And the question is, can we learn quickly? Can we learn accurately? And then can we move to something next that makes a lot of sense? We've been doing a lot of work in safety and also driver comfort. There are amazing technologies that we're building into the truck that make the trucks a little bit easier to drive, a lot safer, and are just very popular with the truck buyers. PACCAR, together with our partners, is a leader in Level 4 autonomous trucks. Most of the industry is using PACCAR equipment as their platform for autonomous driving. We have a full line of electric vehicles out in the field. Our hydrogen trucks, hydrogen fuel cell, is just around the corner, and we're right now working on the hydrogen combustion trucks to round out our line. We're ready for whatever the future brings. In the next 3 to 5 years, we see a lot of centralization of functions into the truck, into fewer and fewer computers that are more and more powerful. What this will do is allow us to bring the data together in new ways and offer new services for our customers. What makes this team special is, first of all, we're all engineers here. We all love to build things. In addition, we share a passion for the trucks. These are amazing, beautiful, practical pieces of machinery. And that's something that brings us together. I would say, in addition, at this office, we are a team. We really like working together, supporting one another. And so this is a great place to be an engineer. These trucks have a lot of data running through them, and we're getting better and better at understanding and interpreting that data in order to draw key insights. Those insights are the basis for new services that we're rolling out to our customers. PACCAR is a company where you really can reach out across a number of different divisions and people will help you out. I've had really great conversations with people who I'm meeting just for the very first time, and they're really helpful for me. And so this is a place where people tend to stick around and do great work together. When it comes to zero emissions technology, PACCAR has a range of solutions that we're developing for our customers. PACCAR builds trucks for the entire world. The PACCAR Innovation Center is the industry leader in the future of truck technology. Wherever the industry goes, PACCAR will be there with solutions to meet our customers' needs.
This is an exciting time. I predict in the next 10 years, we'll see more change in the trucking industry than we have seen in the last 100. The PACCAR Innovation Center is at the forefront of this change and leading PACCAR successfully into the future. So technology is embedded into transportation. And what we do here effectively is identify these different mega trends which are coming along, evaluate their impact on PACCAR's business, and develop pragmatic solutions so that PACCAR can continue its leadership in this industry in technology and transportation. The work we do at the Innovation Center connects very closely with PACCAR's mission and vision of understanding the megatrends, evaluating their impact, and making PACCAR a continued leader in this new paradigm. Silicon Valley actually is critical for us to be here because Silicon Valley is the epicenter of new technology. Having a presence here is important for three main reasons. One is this close proximity leads to efficiency, leads to two, a trust-based relationships, and a very agile way of working amongst the partners and the ecosystem. So having a presence here is very, very critical. The other thing which is critical is maintaining a very strong connectivity and connection back to the motherships. And notice I say plural ships because we have divisions in Seattle, in Texas, overseas in Europe. So essentially by being a nerve center here of scouting the new technologies, building ecosystem partnerships, and making sure PACCAR is successful. So one of the key success stories is our partnership in L4 autonomy. So this is about driverless trucks. We are working on technological developments to help the safety and comfort. So we're working to essentially develop a new paradigm, a new way of doing this, which is very innovative. One day I could be working with business development, essentially reaching out to partners and engaging with them for developing a proof of concept, for example. A second day could be building out Excel models to try to really understand how a technology would impact the bottom line. A third day could be talking to our internal stakeholders and building alignment and generating enthusiasm with them for this new technology. And that's something which I really love. I mean, no single day is like the previous one, and which leads to growth and just the excitement of coming to work. Innovation is a very creative process. So having people with different perspectives, different experiences, different ways of thinking is critical. So that experience and the maturity which comes with that is going to be really important as we drive innovation at PACCAR in this new paradigm.
We are at the heart of Silicon Valley, and that's one of the reasons why this center was chosen to be located here. We're at this sort of really cool nexus of all these different startups, all these different technologies that they all meet together and really helps accelerate innovation in this space. Working at the PACCAR Innovation Center is super exciting because I get to work on some of the neatest and coolest challenges of the autonomous vehicle space. So this is a really interesting field, and I'm really happy to be working here because I get a chance to really test out some of these cool technologies that go on to autonomous vehicles, and I really get to play around and see how they do and really drive this field forward. Part of my job here is to go out and talk to startups, talk to other companies, evaluate their technologies, and then decide the pros and cons, and ultimately report and talk to everyone else here about why we should or shouldn't use those pieces of technology on a truck to help it drive autonomously. So very few people get this opportunity, especially in this autonomous vehicle space, to actually sit in the truck, watch it perform, evaluate its performance, and it's really, really neat to be at the forefront of all of that. Everything from different sensors, like the latest, greatest LiDARs, latest, greatest thermal cameras themselves, and even radars. I get a chance to get hands-on and really experiment with all of them and see what they are capable of.
Being around innovation, all of our engineers, being able to contribute to our ingenuity, really. They bring so many different things to the table, and we bring it together and we brainstorm and we come up with solutions. And I love being around that kind of ingenuity. People are leaders of themselves. We have leadership that guides us, but they don't hover. They're intrigued by our ideas. The leadership is very positive. And I really feel grateful to be part of the PACCAR innovation team. It's an honor.